Good number everyone, my name is Kinchwandi, a FAB academic graduate of 2022. I was introduced to the HTGAA course when I joined College of Natural Resources as a BioFab Lab engineer. In 2021, I participated as a global listener, and this year I took the HTGAA course as a committed listener. I currently manage the Fab Lab and BioLab. BioLab, which is designed for the HTGAA course. After graduating from HTGAA, I aim to make my lab a hub for synthetic biology and HTGAA. Now, about my final project for HTGAA 2024, I have chosen to create sustainable plant-based meat alternatives by engineering lake hemoglobin A in human edible yeast. In Bhutan, rising meat demand and environmental impact from livestock farming are urgent concerns. My project focuses on producing lake hemoglobin A in human edible yeast, mimicking meat's sensory qualities in plant-based products. By optimizing expression, I enhance nutrition and taste while reducing the environmental footprint, a vital step towards a balanced and sustainable future. The motivation behind my final project is, although Bhutan is a Buddhist country, but many people still believe that meat is a rich source of essential nutrients and enjoy its flavor and taste. Meat is heavily imported every year, costing Bhutan billions of nilton. To address this issue, innovative youths and entrepreneurs have been working on creating vegetable and vegan meat alternatives. In 2020, I worked with Shiva to develop a meat substitute using soy chunks, mushrooms, and other ingredients to mimic the taste and texture of real meat. Despite our effort, many people still prefer real meat. This led me to research why people love meat so much, and I discovered that heme, a molecule found in animal meat, is a key factor in its taste and texture. I was excited to learn that heme is also found in living plants. This discovery sparked my interest in researching heme further. When I joined the College of Natural Resources, I couldn't stop thinking about creating a better plant meat alternative. This year, I learned about synthetic biology and saw an opportunity to take my research to the next level. For my final project, I have three aims. Aim 1 is to learn in silico modeling and bioinformatics 2, where I explored benchling and PyMol. I use benchling for gene optimization, vector design, and Gibson assembly. I use PyMol to visualize the protein structure of lake hemoglobin A. Using this tool, I can manipulate the protein view and change the representations like stakes, ribbon, and cartoons. I can also use PyMol to analyze my protein structure. Aim 2 focuses on establishing a robust laboratory protocol for the expression and purification of engineered lake hemoglobin A in yeast. For that purpose, I have to develop various protocols for strain selection and plasmid construction, gene synthesis and assembly, yeast transformation, protocol for selection of transformed cells and screening colonies for the presence of the lake hemoglobin A gene using PCR, develop protocol for protein expression, optimization, extraction, purification and characterization, and then perform different testing for safety and quality control. My aim 3 for the project is to make sure aim 1 and 2 are fulfilled before the start of HTGAA 2025. The tasks involved the revisiting and redoing the aim 1, then developing and performing aim 2 in the lab. Reflecting on the unexpected challenges faced during my final project, I encountered several hurdles that tested my resolve and adaptability. Some of them are learning synthetic biology itself. Even after completing the HTGAA course, I found synthetic biology to be quite complex. Then during the project, I had to use various online platforms and software tools that I was not familiar with. Then documentation is crucial, but I overlooked some important steps. This led to repeating experiments. Balancing the demand of the project with other responsibilities was a constant challenge. Then accessing to research articles. I spent a lot of time reading research articles to understand my topic better, but many articles were behind paywalls or required institutional access. The bioethical considerations for my final project are important for responsible research. Some of the key considerations are public benefit, responsible use, innovation and responsibility, engaging stakeholders, fairness and access, safety first, transparency, environmental impact, animal welfare, and research integrity. It is crucial for me to integrate these bioethical considerations into every phase of my project to ensure responsible and ethical scientific practice. In the future, I will focus on learning how to use in silico modeling and bioinformatics software. I plan to carry out all the protocols designed in aim 2. Additionally, I will engage in continuous learning to stay updated on the advancements in synthetic biology. Ultimately, I aim to prepare my lab to become a biohub for HTGAA and any synthetic biology work in Bhutan. Thank you.